we knew it was not unbeatable. Not if we tried. And so while the Tesla 2.5 was great, so one day, several weeks ago in Irwindale, we pushed the envelope and took on the world's best. Put another way, the FF991 outruns gravity. So you just saw us beat the world's fastest production EV, and we made it possible because Faraday Future is also always racing ahead of the traditional and outmoded beliefs that have held engineers and designers back before. So come on out one more time, encore, this time with Jerome on board.